Welcome to Micro's digital YouTube channel. In this video we'll discuss how to use ChatGPT for social media. Step 1. Visit the website of OpenAI ChatGPT. Step 2. Sign up for an account using your email address. Step 3. Once logged in, you will be taken to the ChatGPT homepage. Step 4. Select the Create a Conversation option from the main menu. Step 5. Enter the text to which the AI would like to respond. Step 6. Select the Generate Responses button to get the AI's responses. Step 7. Type Create Social Media Post for brand name. Step 8. Review the AI's responses and select those you like to use. Step 9. Copy the responses to your clipboard. Step 10. Log into your social media accounts and paste the AI-generated responses into the text box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on digital marketing.